side. Bless me, Lord, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. Guide my steps in every way, everywhere, 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 everywhere. You're on my side, on my side. You're on my side, you're on my side. Every day, on my side, on my every day, on my side, on my side. When the road is long and my strength is low, you remind my heart I'm not alone. Through the storms and through the rain, your faithful love still calls my name. You go before me, you stay behind. Your mighty hand is over my life. I lift my voice, I testify. My hope is strong, my God is alive. Hey. Bless me, Lord, every day.
Hey, masarap pati ang dahon sana sa tinulang manok. Tinulang manok. Nanitib. Kaso walang hindi ko alam. Marami ditong native siguro yung sa may farm. Kaso hindi ko alam ang malayo. Kung kita ko sana si kabayan dito nakatira. Nasa Paros daw sila guys nakatira. Kaso hindi ko nakuha ang contact niya, hindi ko nahingi para paglinggo puntahan sana siya. Ayan na, hindi na ito pwede. Ayan, ang sili, kunti lang ang tinanim niya, ganyan, isang hilira lang, isang line lang. Ayun naman ang tataba. Ayun, ang tataba. Mas masarap ito. Tapos ang kamatis, kunti lang din. Mas marami kaming kamatis last year.